going on, guys? Just got the kicker box here. The thing's pretty awesome. Already unboxed it. Too much cardboard. I got the Mustang in here, got the sled in here, just not a lot of room. Comes on a pallet. It's freight shipped. Cardboard box, really cool, done up by Kicker, and comes with like these MDF boards here to help protect it. Let's see here. Comes with these. Comes with 4 of these. These are really nice, heavy mounting plates that you can mount to the vehicle. So you guys see those. Comes with 4 of these. More plates. And they do not mess around packaging this thing. I think the package is amazing, by the way. Screws, bunch of screws. Oh, let's see. See if I can break a couple of these apart quick here. And I said, these are the MDF rings, like a protector during shipping. The box, that cardboard box sits on top. These stop so the subs don't get any wear from the cardboard. Really good idea. Let's see. Oh, some goodies here. All right, what do we got here? Oops. A couple Kicker stickers. Got a customer info card. Sincerely, Steve Irby. If y'all can see that or not. But it kind of tells how to mount it to the vehicle, power handling and whatnot. All the specs of the enclosure. Really neat. All right, let's get some plastic off of this thing. Like I said, 2 of these MDF rings here to help protect during shipping. And now, take a look here. Like I said, I would have done a whole unboxing video. It just, I don't have room for that much cardboard and a pallet and everything else. I haven't messed with Kicker in a lot of years, but I kind of got intrigued, so I pulled the 415s out of the Escalade. So the 415s are out. I never did show too many videos of that, but wow. This is cool. This is cool. By the way, it takes 2 people to move it around. Yes, you can do it by yourself if you really want to. Me, I'm not. I don't have a back for that anymore. This thing's amazing. This thing's awesome. Let's get the camera up here. Just got off the truck today. Really cool. It actually has cutouts down here. They're like kind of recessed in, so your hands can get up under there to move it around. This thing is awesome looking. Wow, really cool. Huh. Get a little bit of light in there. There we go. Plenty of videos of what the inside look like, so I'm not going to go through all that, but beautiful piece of art, that's for sure. Excited to get this thing in the my Escalade and start playing around with it. This is temporary, guys. This is for fun. I wanted to do something fun, so I did a kicker quad box. And as soon as they release the Solo X's, Escalade's getting Solo X's. Stay tuned for that later. Thanks, guys.